Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Amex Gold Card ATM withdrawals. It's important to understand that the Amex Gold is a charge card, which operates differently from a standard credit card. This means it typically does not allow for direct cash advances or ATM withdrawals. If you're looking for cash, this card isn't designed for that purpose, so let's explore why and what your options are. While the Amex Gold doesn't provide ATM cash directly, you can still manage your finances effectively. For cash needs, your best bet is to use a debit card linked to your checking account. This allows you to withdraw cash from ATMs without issue. Remember, the Amex Gold excels at earning rewards on purchases, so keep it focused on spending. It's crucial to be aware of the costs associated with cash advances if you use a different card. Many credit cards charge a significant fee, often 3% to 5% of the amount, plus interest starts accruing right away. This can make a small withdrawal quite expensive. Sticking to your debit card for cash ensures you avoid these extra charges and keep your finances healthy. To wrap up, the Amex Gold Card is a fantastic tool for earning rewards on your everyday purchases, especially for dining and groceries. However, it's not designed for ATM cash withdrawals. Always have a separate debit card ready for your cash needs to avoid unnecessary fees and complications. And hey, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.